Hello everyone! My name is Deilyn Zamudio Córdova and this is my final project, The Golden Scroll. The Golden Scroll is not a standalone game. Think of it as a digital infrastructure for a real-life experience. The core of the experience happens offline at the application, managing the logic, the data, and the profiles of the participants and the monitors. The Golden Scroll focuses on the first 5 books of the Old Testament, also known as the Pentateuch, to align to this year's Come Follow Me curriculum. The journey of both the participants and the monitors starts at the registration page. I use a third-party API called Cat Avatar to create dynamic profile pictures. This adds a fun visual element and avoids complicated image storage. I use JavaScript modules to store this information in both Firebase and local storage. If we go to the technical part of this process, I use JavaScript modules to store the information in both Firebase and local storage. I use JavaScript and added troubleshooting aspects, such as if the participant of the monitor forgets to write their team name, it uses a default name. It uses Adam in this case for the program to not crash. Once we are registered as a participant or as a monitor, the process is the same. We arrive at the home page where we can find the progress bar. This is the first thing that we see up there. The Golden Scroll is a scavenger hunt. So the participants go through a series of stations with different missions that they need to follow in order to make this bar progress and reach the Golden Scroll at the end. The bar uses local storage to track the team's progress instantly. We also have here the go-to missions where we can see all of the missions that the participants have completed. The first time they enter the app, the only mission that they can see is the first one, and any other mission is blocked for them at the moment. In the missions area, I use non-trivial JSON structure to display the 10 missions of the experience. This data includes titles, subtitles, IDs, difficulty level, among other features. The menu features dynamic buttons that are linked to different parts of the application. We have Map, where the participant can see the map of the real-life location where this experience is happening. We also have Notes here. It is a note-taking system where they can save their notes in the local storage and they no longer require them. We also have a ranking here that shows all teams' progress, so the team that has more unlocked missions is on the top of it. We also have, and this is really important, the Bible button. The Bible works through a third-party API called Bible API. And now we go to the Monitors hub. The monitors in this experience are required to not tech experts, but people who have no trouble understanding digital platforms. So for this first time that this experience is going to take place here in Villa Alemana, Chile, the coming March 7th, the monitors are going to be young men and women and young adults between the ages of 12 years old and 35 years old. So we know it is a big gap, but all of those ages are people who can understand how to use this digital tool and help the children to understand how to use their platform. So for them, we have a specialized hub. It starts with a message from the team being myself and the Golden Scroll app. This feature is not included yet, but soon in the final version, the Monitors hub will have a password requirement. So now it is open for the presentation, but in the final version, it will require the password. To manage the logic for the footer and header, I use a custom event called Layout Ready. This is inside of a JavaScript module, and this event makes sure that all of the scripts that are dependent of the header and footer execute only after those components have been fetched. Everything for the development of this app was organized using Trello. I divided the tasks that I needed to do in different cards for each week. So, in conclusion, the Golden Scroll is a tool designed to increase the faith of both the participants and the monitors. It is way beyond than a class project. I know that through this experience that the children will have, the technology will no longer be a distraction in this learning process for the next generation. And this is what I was looking for when I started this project, and what I will continue to look forward until I have the final product. Because, as Diane Ackerman once said, play is our brain's favorite way of learning. Thank you so much.